Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are going to talk about the best lavender cocktail dress for women available in the market. The KARIN Women's Gorgeous Work Pencil Dress Cap Sleeve Sexy Bodycon Dress. The KARIN dress is a bodycon pencil dress with a 50s style, cap sleeves, geometric collar, and a back zipper. The slim fit and stretchy fabric make it elegant and stylish, perfect for both formal and casual occasions. The invisible zipper design on the back makes it convenient to put on and take off, without ruining your makeup. The dress is made of 98% polyester and 2% viscose, making it easy to care for with machine wash. Customers rave about the fit, appearance, and quality of the dress. Many love the elegant and flattering cut of the dress, while some find the unlined fabric a small drawback. Overall, the dress is praised for its comfort and value for money. That's all for today's review of the KARIN Women's Gorgeous Work Pencil Dress Cap Sleeve Sexy Bodycon Dress. If you're looking for a stunning lavender cocktail dress that combines style, comfort, and value, this dress is the perfect choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews on Product Critique. Thank you for watching.